Hello beautiful people, how are you doing today? Hope you all are in best of your health and fantabulous as always, and as I always want you to be. So today in School for Elders I have a highly inspiring story of Sundar Lal Baguna. I'm sure you must have heard about Chipko movement, most of you. So this man has started this Chipko movement to save environment. This is a project to save trees, to avoid deforestation in Himalayas. So he is a social activist and environmentalist. So he has performed many other social activities also, which includes the Tehran Dam project also. Because of this project he has been jailed also, because the case went for almost a decade, and apparently there was no particular decision. And then he was above 50 or 60 when he went for a fasting also for this project. He went on a hunger strike. He observed 74 days longest fast of his life for this particular dam environmentalist project, because he wanted to oppose this project. Then he has been offered many awards by Government of India for his all the social activities and social works. He has been offered Padma Vibhushan also. However, because of this Tehran project, he denied to receive Padma Shri. And yes, my dear friends, he denied because he was not working for any award, any reward, or any money. He was working for his happiness. He feels that he is happy when he works like this. So that's why I found these people. If you see him, if you will see his pictures and all, he is such a simple man that he and so humble. He looks like where he's very humble and he's so simple that anyone can go and talk to him, right? So that's what I really admire about such people. So happiness doesn't require any hi-fi makeup or any other appearance. So please stop judging people about from their appearance. Many of us do till date, right? So I will send the link in the description box. You can go through the inspiring journey and inspiring story of this man. However, best one is Chipko movement in his life, because it is to save trees, and there are so many others which he has done to save environment also. And today's wellness mantra is self-love, right? Self-love, you can just open your arms to the universe when you wake up. It will take just 1 minute, and you just need to say, I am open for all the abundance, for all the love which this universe has to offer. I love myself, I love God, I love universe, and I'm letting go of all the things which are not serving me anymore, right? And just keep a hand on your heart and feel the goodness. Yes, there are so many things which are going out from you, which you keep on letting go. So you'll feel blessed. You'll feel amazed. You'll be amazed, and you will feel very good. These two lines are so magical, and your day will be rocking and fantabulous. So even I have been doing this, and I have seen the result. It's miraculous. Even if certain days doesn't go well, it's okay. It is there to teach me very quick lessons about certain life lessons. Yes. So it's not going well. I am always grateful that God has put me to this test to make me more stronger, and that's what I come through more stronger, right? So if you will always be grateful for your tests, for the challenges which life throws on you, right? So you will be bigger, brighter, and better, right? So only then you will grow and evolve. Otherwise, if you will not, कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि एक बार रात हो गई है तो दिन ही नहीं हो रहा? कभी ऐसा हुआ है दिन हो गया, सूरज चढ़ा ही है और रात नहीं हो रही है, एकदम धूप है, गर्मी है? नो, राइट? वेदर चेंजेस, डे एंड नाइट चेंजेस, एवरीथिंग चेंजेस, राइट? कभी ऐसा हुआ आपने ट्रेन का टिकट लिया, प्लेन का टिकट लिया, आप बस ट्रैवल ही करते जा रहे हो, पहुँच ही नहीं रहे डेस्टिनेशन पे? कुछ तो वो अरेंजमेंट करते हैं ना, कोई ट्रेन चेंज करता है, कोई बस चेंज करते हैं, वो दूसरी बस बुलाते हैं, कभी ना कभी तो पहुँच ही जाते हो ना, चाहे पैनिक करो नहीं करो, शांति से बैठो, जो मर्जी करो, पहुँच तो जाते हो जहाँ का टिकट लिए। नहीं तो वो थोड़े पैसे वापस कर देंगे, कुछ भी एडजस्टमेंट करेंगे, आप पहुँच जाते हो, राइट? मैं तो भाई पहुँच जाती हूँ। कुछ ऐसा होता भी है तो थोड़ा टाइम लगता है, बट पहुँच जाते हैं, राइट? सो सेम इज द थिंग इज़ विद लाइफ. if you will feel that life is a journey, it will be journey for you, and each station is having something great to offer, right? So keep on moving and keep on performing these wellness mantras, whichever is resonating with you. And thank you so much for liking, subscribing, and sharing and watching my videos. See you till next video. Bye bye. Take care.